stop at Bernard. And mommy saw the construction that was going on and the security guard, and she just decided that they were not going to stop there anymore. So we went straight to Phoenix. And that's where a whole heap of problem just started. I had my camera, you know. I've seen people actually video that Phoenix Park before. I think I saw another YouTuber with it. I didn't watch the video, but I've seen other videos as well. And there was as from I'm seeing recording, I didn't think there was an issue with that. Nobody had said that, you know, we're not allowed to record or anything like that. I've actually seen footage inside of it. And when we went, I recorded from outside. I wasn't recording from in the car actually. The first security guard saw me, didn't say anything. The second security guard saw me, didn't say anything. I had said a lot of things, you know, pertaining to our day, but I think I just explained it a while ago. But me passing, there was just a big empty open land because in home living situation was not necessary. They called over. Nobody never said anything was wrong with you. Go to the security guard and call over and said that he's calling us in regards to the video, and he said no video, no picture or anything like that. That's fine. I had stopped immediately, and then he must still call me over. So he's saying I need him asked me if I don't mind deleting. I had a problem with that. I didn't even remember that I had said a lot of things pertaining to doing my videos. And I'm saying, so what is the big deal? It's a big opening. What's my issue? What am I going to do with the video? So I'm not supposed to record. Then why am I going to use it? And it's obviously you don't want it to be used. So I'm still upon the case, do you mind deleting? Do you mind deleting it? What am I going to do with it? And you can't explain it. He must say, oh, did you not show it as a record? So you mind deleting it, mind deleting it. So I didn't want it to be a case where he ran us off the property. And we didn't get to see the house itself because I said a lot of things in it because I was saying that Phoenix Park was where we were more interested in. Colbeck was just an opportunity we saw, and we said we want to look and see what can come out of it. But Phoenix Park was where we actually were interested in. And I had to delete all of that. I went into an argument with this man coming out back down. But at the end of the day, we still deleted, and I wish I didn't, guys, because there was nothing wrong on the video. When we went inside further, the lady, she told us right away. She said, no video may can take pictures. So then, alright, that's fine. So we have a collage of pictures which you guys will see. And
I will take and take little video.
I want to take a little video here. So we mostly just have pictures at that place. We just want to show you the picture because, as I said, we are on a house hunt. We do want to buy a house. Anyways, guys, I was really happy to see the units and the possibility of us owning our own home. Eventually, it won't be for now, but we're going to take you on a journey because we know that you like the house hunting videos. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and stay tuned for other content because this is not our only content, guys. So
kindly watch the others as well,
please.
Yeah, guys, thanks for tuning into this week's video. We hope you enjoy it. Please, if you're new here, subscribe to our channel to become a part of the family. Like our videos because, like, especially this video, we go through a lot to film it.
Exactly. So please, guys, give it a thumbs up.
Just give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments. And if you're new, as I said, please subscribe. Thank you for watching this week's video.
We tried our best to get as much as footage in as possible, but we were very restricted. So thanks for watching again. Sorry that we couldn't do any better, but
that's how it goes sometimes. So you guys, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Like it up.
Thumbs up the video, please. If you enjoyed watching it, thumbs it up. Bye.
Bye, guys.